This tutorial will cover how to use the Health Science Subject Guide. If you are not sure where to find something, you can start with a search box in the top right corner. This will help you find whatever you are looking for. Another way to get to the Health Science Guide is to go to the Quick Links box and click on the Subject Guides link. This is a partial list of the subject guides, but we will click on the Health Science Guide. The Health Science Subject Guide has all of the resources on health and nutrition. On the Welcome tab, you can see there is a variety of information, such as how to access databases off campus if you do not know how, and we even have an RSS feed from the American Association for the Advancement of Science. The Books and eBooks tab contains a discovery search where you can search for books on health. We have both print and ebooks listed in this database. The good news is that we have many more ebooks than we do print, so you can view an entire book online. You can see that we have listed some of the ebooks that we do recommend for you. The Videos and Image tab contains video databases, which you can use not only for your information, but also for your class presentations. And you don't have to use the entire clip. You can use just a short little snippet. There are also links to various places to get free images, and you'll see that if you scrolled below. On the Articles tab, you will see what databases that we recommend using for health topics, including nutrition. If you scroll down on this page, you will also see the open source journals and databases. These are free scholarly sources that you can use anytime, even after you graduate. For the Websites tab, we have divided and already vetted websites by the domain suffix, including some blogs in the area of health. These are also really good sites for you to bookmark and use later after you graduate. This concludes the tutorial on how to use the Health Science Subject Guide. If you have any questions, just look at the home page on our library website. We are here for you.